Hey everyone out here, it's Amanda coming back to you with another live video about why I stopped promoting Power Lead System. This is one of the questions that people's been asking. I have been with the Power Lead System since last year. It was September of 2017, and I was just extremely amazed by the results. But what I want everybody to know is I still promote Power Lead System. Power Lead System is a great traffic generation funnel. When you come in and leverage the opportunity, getting in as high as you can, this is a phenomenal way to earn a full-time income. So I have not stopped promoting Power Lead System. I'm still driving traffic. Power Lead System helps me to market other different business opportunities that I'm involved in because they have unlimited capture pages, sales pages, and it's easy for me to get my team started by giving them a share code. So I am still participating with the Power Lead System. And for those that don't know, the Power Lead System has been around for many years, paying out every single week like clockwork and allowing people to earn a full-time income with their different structure levels that you can come in at, gold being the lowest and MTI being the highest. We're going to go over the different pay scales that they have and what you will actually get when you participate with the Power Lead System. I have a group, and if you're not involved yet, if you go onto Facebook, the name of the group is called Freedom Takers, and it's a green and black logo, cover photo, and you can actually request to be a part of the Freedom Takers group, where it is a ton of activity and a community of people all with the same common goal, which is earning a full-time income. So for this week, we do get paid weekly every single Wednesday, like clockwork. I'm already at $1,350 for the week. I was on vacation in Jamaica for 2 weeks. I didn't do much promoting while I was away, but it was still earning me an income. And what I do, I just tell people, this could be a secondary source of income. This could be your full-time income. This could be what put your kids through college, what allows you to go on vacation. I love the Power Lead System. The support team, it has everything that you need. The different traffic strategy generation methods that they use, they all work. I get leads every day from the information that I learned with the Power Lead System, and that's extremely powerful. If you are not in the Power Lead System, you're missing out on a ton of money, over $70,000 for this year, and I still have a month and a half left, and I'm extremely excited because that income has changed my life. So going into the different levels that we have available, we have the gold level, which is the lowest level. I tell everybody, don't come in at the lowest level. Everybody can afford $53, but that's not, if you want to treat this like a real business and you want to take this all the way, you don't want to come in at the lowest level because that's not going to give you those big payouts that is life-changing, okay? That is what I know for a fact. Being in this industry, not only that, when you start at the lowest level, you don't put your all into something, okay? Don't treat this as a hobby, but like a business. The gold level is $53 per month. You have the diamond level, which is a one-time payment of $147. You have the platinum level, which is a one-time payment of $497, and the MTI, which is a one-time payment of $1497, and you can actually split that up into 2 payments if you would like. Not only that, at the gold level, you're going to get unlimited $20 commissions. At the diamond level, $100 commissions, unlimited. At the platinum level, $400 commissions. And at the MTI level, you're going to get $1,000 commissions. Now, what I tell people, all I'm doing is running cold traffic to the funnel and allowing the funnel to do the work for me. I run it consistently. You have to have a marketing budget that allows you to do so. So what you do is you put together the amount that you can afford and you get traffic as much as you can. And if you don't have money for consistent traffic, I have a course where I use Facebook to generate tons and tons of leads per day, tons of leads. And that allows me to generate commissions on a consistent basis. The more that I do it, the more that I make. And it's one of those things, as long as you're working the business at least an hour to 2 hours a day, 4 to 5 days a week, you will see results. and the results will be consistent, okay? So it's all about getting in, positioning yourself to make the most, and following the steps that's in the training. I also have training in the group where I tell people how to show people how to spend an hour to hour and a half a day to bring in traffic to build their business and make commissions. So yes, I am still involved in the Power Lead system. I'm still here, guys. I'm still here. And I just wanted to give this quick testimony about this program and just let you guys know that it is a wonderful program and you can do a lot with this opportunity if you just get started, and not just started as far as putting in your credit card number, but following simple steps to earning a full-time income. That's what's going to be life-changing for you. So if you want more information, it is in the description below. Thanks so much for watching my video, guys. Have a great night. Have a great weekend. And I'll see you guys again tomorrow.